today I have a unboxing and review for you. e.l.f. sent me this, and I'm like, oh, it's in such cute packaging. I might as well do an unboxing of it. So, it's like, I think it's a brow tool. We're gonna unbox it together and find out just what exactly it is. I think they put it in a really big box because I can't imagine it would be this big. We'll find out though. Let's see, I have to, shoot, I didn't bring a scissors down here. That should be fine. Just use a pen to get through the, tape, right? Let's see. Or I can try to just peel it, maybe. Of course. 1 second. Okay, we are back. So, Influencer. I don't know if you guys heard of it. It is awesome. Anyway, making sure I'm not address dropping in there. That would be super weird. And let me back up so we can kind of look at it together. Here she goes. Ooh. So what do we have in here? Let's see. Appears to be two things. Is there anything else? Nope, okay. Two things. So they are the e.l.f. Brow Laminating Gel. Interesting. It looks almost like a mascara to me. And then, and then we have an e.l.f. eye pencil. So they sent us these two things. So, let's see. I feel like I've seen this before. Maybe not. I think it's like a brand new drop. So, I don't know. I know I've never seen this. This is cool. This is really cool. So, as it shows before, it's like my rough, situation. And then after, okay, so you can kind of shape it as you want. Spoolie brush for precise, mess-free application. Brush and comb and brush duo to sculpt, shape, and set brows in place. Interesting. 3-in-1 applicator. Strong hold for a laminated look. That sounds awesome. So that's, in my opinion, that's probably what I'm guessing anyways, that it's going to come out looking like that perfected, clean girl look, or whatever you want to call that, style. So it says, get that laminated look without stiffness with the strong hold, clear drying brow gel. Sweet. I was a little worried about that. I'm like, oh, it's black. It's going to be a bit dark for my brows. But it dries clear. Very cool. The dual-ended applicator makes it easy to sculpt, shape, and set brows with precise application. You guys have never seen this in the store, so I wonder if maybe it's not out yet. At least by me, it's not, so it's kind of cool. Using the precision spoolie, apply a small amount of gel onto clean, dry brows. Brush hairs back and forth to fully cover. With the comb end, sculpt brows, then gently press down with the brush to set hairs in place. Interesting. So you first do the gel, and then you kind of put it in there and rub it back and forth with the comb end, and then use the brush to set hairs in place. Very cool. So then there's this guy. They appear to be maybe not related to each other, I guess. So, all right, very cool. So I will do this guy on one brow and this guy on the other brow, so we can see how like both of them kind of work. Yeah, let's get right into that. So, yeah, I'll first open this guy because it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, I know how these work. This is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So, let's try it out. And both of these, of course, are by e.l.f. Alright. My brows are kind of a hot mess, you guys. Let's see. We'll first do this guy, shape them. You know what? I could be doing out of order steps, but I don't think I am. This is kind of how I do. Okay. Brush them till we have them where we want them, right? Oh, not like that though. There we go. Kind of up. Out of our way. And then go in with this guy and fill in any spots that are not as thick and perfected as they could be. You guys, I might not be doing this justice because my eyebrows are really needing a wax right now. But like so. Okay, and then I'm getting it. You could technically do these guys in tandem because then you could use the brow laminating gel to kind of hold it in place. So I'm now getting why they sent me both. Silly me, that makes sense. So that'll work for sure, actually. I feel like it does look better. What do you guys think? Should we do one on one side, one on the other, or just do it both on one brow? What do you think? I think they meant for it to be done together, so we'll just go ahead and do this one on this same brow, actually. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this. Because at first I was gonna do one on each brow, and then I thought, you know, I kind of feel like they meant for them to be used together. You know, I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, lipstick teeth, you guys. It's not cute. Okay, so what did they say again? Kind of get them in place with the... Oh, I should show you guys. This is what it looks like. See? Reduce the shine. You can see it. These are what the brushes look like. Alright. Oh. Wait, what though? I'm not quite understanding this situation. Okay, that's for the... How do we get to this guy? You guys, am I like dumb? I don't know. What? You guys, I think I'm an idiot. I don't know how to open this. Maybe like they're kind of... No, they're not connected, see? Okay. Guys, what? I don't know. I don't actually know how to get this out of there. This really doesn't want to close back up well. What in the world? Oh wait, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Whoa. Just had to pull harder. Okay, you guys. I see. Okay. Alright. Let's get to it. So there we go. This guy you just pull to get him off. It's kind of on there tightly, you know. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Oh, you guys, this is interesting. Okay, very interesting. But you know what? I love that it's like an all-in-one tool, so you don't have to chase around a bunch of different like tools and things like that. Oh my gosh, did I get way too much going on there? I don't know, I'm gonna say I didn't. There we go, our gel's on. Now I want to do the thing with the comb before our gel is dry. So we kind of just want to do it, kind of guessing they said back and forth, you know? So that's what we'll do. We'll do the back and forth. Okay. To get the gel all the way in there, I'm thinking is the goal. Wow, this is already kind of setting. That's impressively quick. So there's no screwing with it and trying to you know, get it to dry. It does that on its own really quickly. Alright. Wow, okay. I'm not mad at that, you guys. Look at that. Okay, and mind you, my eyebrows are a hot mess right now. I'm sure you can tell. All those like hairs that need a good plucking or waxing. And I'm gonna say, yeah, that is sweet, you guys. At the end there, when it was drying, I could tell it already didn't really want to move. So I think this is gonna hold really nicely. Look at that. This brow is super nice and lifted high up and crisp. I love it. That is so nice. Okay, let's go. That's that one. See, it's kind of rough. And that's that one. Look at how like defined and... Oh neat, it's like, okay. It's not at all crusty or like hard, but it's like flat, almost as if you didn't have brows and you like penciled them on situation. That is very cool. You guys, I would recommend this, and I do love that it's all in one like thing here. You don't have to try to have your brow gel and then carry another brow tool and all of that and then chase them down, figure out what crevice of my purse did this end up in. Like, it's all right there, easy to find. I would highly recommend this. The brow laminating gel, I love it. Love, love, love it. And the pencil, I feel like the pencil's decent. It works as well as any other I've ever used. I love that it has a spoolie, again, attached. These are very cool. I guess I would probably recommend both. The way I went at it kind of works. It didn't cause any issues, you know, so fill in those sparse areas. Like, it's great. This will be so great because I have a bad tendency when I wax my brows. I then go in and pluck to get the stray hairs, but sometimes I get a little overzealous and I'll have like missing chunks of brow. So the brow pencil will be so handy for that. And this guy, I can see making it an everyday makeup routine for setting my brows. I love it. It's like, you know, not hard, not crunchy, not anything like that. It's like there's nothing on your eyebrows, but yet they're staying in place. They're not gonna be a hot mess. So I highly, highly recommend this. And like me, I have really thick brows right now. I don't like thick brows. I like the really thin brows, but I do have thick brows right now, so keeping them in place, this can even hold those. And yeah, like thin brows, you always want them to be perfectly in place. So this will be so great for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that was helpful. So if you see it come out in a store near you and wonder if it's good, I would say it is. I'm pretty happy with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and follow or subscribe.